Did you know that how you spend your morning sets the tone for your entire day? Think about it. How many of us hit snooze, scroll through our phones, or rush through breakfast? But what if I told you that just a few simple habits could completely transform your mornings, and ultimately your life? Stick around, because in today's video, we're diving into 3 simple habits that will not only upgrade your morning routine, but also leave you feeling energized, focused, and ready to tackle whatever the day throws at you. Let's get started. 1. Start with hydration. The very first thing your body craves when you wake up isn't coffee. It's water. While you sleep, your body becomes naturally dehydrated, and starting your day with a glass of water can work wonders. Why it works? Rehydrating boosts your metabolism, improves brain function, and helps flush out toxins. How to make it a habit? Keep a glass or bottle of water on your nightstand, so it's the first thing you see when you wake up. If plain water isn't appealing, add a slice of lemon or a few cucumber slices for flavor. Bonus tip: drinking warm water with a dash of lemon can aid digestion and give your immune system a gentle nudge to wake up with you. By making hydration your first step, you're telling your body, hey, we're ready to go, and setting the foundation for a productive day. 2. Prioritize mindfulness. In a world where we're bombarded with notifications, emails, and responsibilities, taking just 5 to 10 minutes in the morning to center yourself can make a huge difference. Mindfulness doesn't have to mean a full meditation session. It can be as simple as sitting quietly and focusing on your breath. Why it works? Practicing mindfulness helps reduce stress, enhances focus, and sets a calm tone for the day. How to make it a habit? Start small. Spend just 3 to 5 minutes focusing on your breathing or repeating a positive affirmation like, "Today will be a great day." Apps like Headspace or Calm can help guide you if you're new to mindfulness. Bonus tip: pair mindfulness with gratitude. Take a moment to list 3 things you're grateful for, whether it's a comfy bed, a loved one, or even the sunshine streaming through your window. Mindfulness helps you take control of your mindset instead of letting the day dictate your mood. 3. Plan your day the night before. One of the most transformative habits doesn't even happen in the morning. It happens the night before. Spending 5 to 10 minutes planning your day can eliminate morning chaos and decision fatigue. Why it works? When you wake up knowing exactly what your priorities are, you save time, energy, and stress. Plus, it gives you a sense of purpose as soon as your feet hit the floor. How to make it a habit? Use a planner, a simple to-do list, or even a notes app on your phone. Identify your top 3 tasks for the day and any appointments or commitments you need to remember. Bonus tip: pair this with laying out your clothes, packing your lunch, or organizing anything you'll need in the morning. You'll wake up feeling prepared instead of frazzled. When your day starts with intention, you're far more likely to end it with a sense of accomplishment. And there you have it, 3 incredibly simple habits that can transform your mornings and, by extension, your entire day. Remember, you don't need to overhaul your life overnight. Start small. Maybe try just one of these habits for a week and see how it feels. Over time, these little changes will compound into a big impact. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips on living your best life. Let me know in the comments, what's one thing you're going to try adding to your morning routine? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, make every morning count.